Hi there, it's Grant here from the Investment of the Decade, and today I'm going to briefly go over what cryptocurrencies are. Now, I think this is very important if you're thinking of investing in cryptocurrencies for the first time, because I think before you make any investment in any asset class, it is really important to understand that asset and know what you're getting into. And cryptocurrencies, whilst they're fairly new, a lot of people don't understand them but still invest in them, and hence make lots of mistakes. But after this video, you're going to probably know more about cryptocurrencies than 90% of people, even though I'm just going to give a very brief overview. But before I get into the video, if you like today's video, please click the like button. And if you want more content like this, please consider subscribing to the channel. Okay, let's get on with the content. So what is a cryptocurrency in its really basic form? So cryptocurrencies are a digital and virtual currency that is secured by something called cryptography, which makes it virtually impossible to counterfeit. So what I'm going to do now you know the basic definition of a cryptocurrency. I'm just going to go through this list and just list some things out so you know a little bit more about what makes up cryptocurrency. So cryptocurrency is a digital asset designed to work as a medium for exchange, exchanging other cryptocurrencies and purchasing things. Cryptocurrencies use something called cryptography to send secure transactions over an online ledger called the blockchain. Now, cryptocurrencies run on something called the blockchain, and I'll be covering the blockchain in a different video. Cryptocurrencies are a digital asset and have a value as they can be liquidated, i.e. turned into cash. Cryptocurrencies are stored in a binary format, which is just a fancy way of saying that they're stored as files on a computer, nothing more, nothing less. So the first cryptocurrency was Bitcoin, and its code was first written in 2007. The creator of Bitcoin launched the Bitcoin blockchain in 2008, and Bitcoin is the most popular and most well-known cryptocurrency. So cryptocurrencies is designed to be a medium of exchange, i.e. an instrument to facilitate the sale, purchase or trade of goods and services between parties. Cryptocurrencies use cryptography, which simply put is the use of techniques to secure communications which prevents third parties from reading private messages. And cryptocurrencies use advanced mathematical algorithms or mathematical formulas that provide proof of cryptocurrency transactions and prevent cryptocurrency fraud. So that is basically the basics of what cryptocurrencies are. So I hope that's helped you. So what we're going to do is we're just going to sort of look at what makes Bitcoin valuable and a viable digital asset. So Bitcoin obviously being the most well-known and most valuable Bitcoin or cryptocurrency at this present time of recording this video. So Bitcoin is valuable because millions of people around the world use it and accept it as payment. That is what gives it its huge value. Bitcoin also has a limited amount of coins in existence, which means supply is limited, which gives it more value. So basically means the less Bitcoin that is available, the more the value will increase of each coin moving forward. Bitcoin is also accessible. You can buy and sell it on exchanges, which is where you buy cryptocurrencies. Bitcoin is also portable, as you can send it anywhere online and you can store it on portable devices such as flash drives or digital wallets. Bitcoin is divisible and can be divided into incredibly small units called satoshis. Bitcoin is also recognizable and has its own unique signature on the blockchain. And finally, Bitcoin is also resistant to counterfeiting as it uses state-of-the-art cryptography. So I hope that is the end of this particular video. I hope it's helped you. I know it's only a brief overview of what cryptocurrencies are, but by reading this and understanding it and watching the video again, you're basically going to know more than 90% of people out there, because whilst a lot of people are investing in cryptocurrencies, most have no idea what they are at all, which is a big mistake. So after going through this, you're going to have a reasonable understanding what cryptocurrencies are. So if you want to invest in them, you actually know what you are investing in. So if you enjoyed today's video, hit the like button. Why not consider subscribing to the channel? And this video is going to be part of a series all about, cryptocurrencies and what they are. But in the next video, I'm just going to explain briefly what the blockchain is, which cryptocurrencies run on. Thank you for joining me today, and I'll speak to you soon.